From the time that they were invented and used by the Dutch Navy to pursue pirates, yachts were designed to be super sea vessels. Today, open yachts have surpassed their primary purpose of smooth and relaxing sea explorations and have become fast water cruising watercraft. Join us as we bring today the top 10 open yachts for fast and smooth cruising experiences. Make sure to watch the whole video. We've saved the topmost open yacht for the end of this video. Full video from the comment box, do share and subscribe to Yacht News.